Need more power? Let's parallel 2-car battery 12 volt. It's simple. I show you how. Hey everybody, welcome to Tec Pro channel. Today's video I show you how to wiring 2 car battery 12 volt for parallel wiring. You need 2 12 volt batteries and thick jumper wire with the alligator. You can see it. Its wire is very thick. Let's try parallel. Step 1. Check voltage. Both batteries must be 12 volt. Use a multimeter for measuring voltage. I try measuring voltage. You can see 12 volt and this battery is 12 volt. That's good. Step 2. Red to red. Positive to positive. As you can see, positive battery. Here, positive battery. Please tighten the clamps. And careful, positive to positive. That's good. Step 3. Black to black. Negative to, you can see here, negative to negative other battery. Secure the connection. Before measuring voltage, please subscribe Tec Pro channel and like and comment. Thank you very much. Step 4. Now measure voltage again. For measuring, use positive this battery and negative this battery. As you can see, still 12 volt output, but more current available. Now, by this connection parallel, we have a 12 volt battery. As you can see, this battery 15 ampere and this battery 50 ampere. Now we have 12 volt battery, 100 current out. I've already made a video on connection car batteries in series. You can see here. Make sure to check it out. Okay, my friends, now important tips and common mistakes. Number 1, use the same voltage battery, 12 volt and 12 volt. Match charge level. Number 3, use a thick wire. Use a thick wire. Number 4, secure all clamps. Then check polarity twice. If you need, fuse the positive line. Disconnect before working. Common mistake: mixing old and new battery. That's not good. Don't mixing old and new battery. Different voltage is very bad. Damage your battery. Lose connections. Heat. If you lose connections, wrong polarity, short circuit. If you don't use a fuse, fire risk. Charging in parallel without balance, overload. Painful mistakes. This video reveals key tips and common error in parallel connections. Don't miss it.